Hello and welcome to exercise 2, looking at multiplying brackets with multiple terms. It's a little bit more in depth than the previous one. We've got 3 terms here. I've written it all out already just to save us some time, and I've identified where the terms are, so how many terms there are, sorry. So this first term, I'm just going to write them out separately, and just so we can look at each one in isolation. So how this would work would be this first term here is minus xy, that would be multiplied by the 2x, which is the first term in that bracket, and then we're going to put a plus sign here. The reason being is that I'm going to have some brackets again for these 2 terms. Just helps to separate it out and organize it a little bit. So that's minus 4y, and this is simply, so we have minus xy multiplied by 2x is equal to minus 2x squared y. And then we have the minus xy multiplied by the minus 4y. So a minus times a minus is a plus. And then we have the 4 as the coefficient. And then we have the x. And then we have y squared. So that's the first one. Let's look at this second term now. We have x multiplied by the 3xy plus the x multiplied by the minus 3x, and that is x multiplied by 3xy is 3x squared y, and then we have the x multiplied by the minus 3x, so that gives us minus 3x squared. So that's the second term dealt with. And then the last term, we have y as the multiplier multiplied by the minus 4x. Then we have plus y multiplied by the 2y, and that is equal to minus 4xy plus 2y squared. Okay, so let's write this all out as one whole piece then. So we have this section first. We have the minus 2x squared y plus 4xy squared. Then we look at this one. That is plus 3x squared y minus 3x squared, and then finally let's look at this one. We have minus 4xy plus 2y squared. Now what you may notice, or hopefully you do notice, is that there are a couple of things we can do here to simplify. So we can simply, I don't want to do that, but we can add those 2 together. So a minus 2x squared y plus a 3x squared y is just an x, or plus 1x squared y. And then we can write the rest of this out, 4xy squared minus 3x squared minus 4xy plus 2y squared. And there you have it. So we've expanded those brackets out. We did it individually, just each term just makes life a little bit easier. Just so we can kind of make sure we don't make any mistakes. And then we found a little bit of simplification that we can do, and this is what the answer comes out to. Well, thanks very much for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, throw them in the comment section as well, and I'll see you on the next video.